perfectly tailored garment begins long before the first stitch is sewn. It begins with a measuring tape. A difference of just 1 centimeter can transform a flawless fit into an uncomfortable disappointment. Whether you're creating a shirt, a dress, a blazer, or a custom suit, mastering a few essential measurements is the foundation of professional tailoring. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the 7 upper body measurements every tailor should know and why each one matters. The first measurement every tailor takes is the neck circumference. It may seem simple, but it's one of the most important measurements for shirts, jackets, blazers, kutas, and dresses with collars. Wrap the measuring tape gently around the base of the neck where a shirt collar naturally rests. Keep the tape level and snug, but never tight. A neck that's measured too tightly creates discomfort and restricts movement, while a loose measurement can leave collars looking oversized and untidy. Professional tailors often leave just enough room to comfortably fit one finger between the tape and the neck, ensuring the perfect balance between comfort and elegance. The shoulder width is one of the most defining measurements in tailoring because it determines how a garment sits on the body. Measure from the outer shoulder point on one side across the upper back to the matching shoulder point on the other side. These points are where the shoulder naturally ends and the arm begins. If this measurement is too narrow, garments feel tight and restrict movement. If it's too wide, sleeves begin to droop and the entire garment loses its structure. Professional tailors always ensure the tape follows the natural contour of the shoulders without sagging or stretching, creating the balanced silhouette that distinguishes custom-made clothing. A cross shoulder, also known as a cross back width, is different from overall shoulder width. Instead of measuring from one shoulder point to the other, this measurement is taken across the upper back between the back arm creases just below the shoulders. It tells the tailor how much room the garment needs across the back for comfortable movement. If this measurement is too small, the garment feels tight whenever the wearer reaches forward. If it's too large, the fabric begins to bunch and wrinkle across the upper back. Getting this measurement right creates comfort without sacrificing a clean, tailored appearance. The bust or chest circumference is one of the most frequently used measurements in garment construction. For women, measure around the fullest part of the bust while keeping the tape perfectly level across the front, sides, and back. For men, the measurement is taken around the fullest part of the chest, usually just under the arms and across the shoulder blades. The tape should rest gently against the body without compressing clothing or skin. Standing naturally and breathing normally is essential. A tape that slips upward, angles downward, or is pulled too tightly can change the measurement enough to affect the fit of the entire garment. From casual shirts to elegant evening dresses, this single measurement forms the foundation of accurate pattern drafting. Many beginners have never heard of the high bust measurement, yet professional pattern makers consider it one of the most valuable measurements for creating balanced garments. Unlike the full bust measurement, the tape is placed above the fullest part of the bust, passing under the arms and across the upper chest and shoulder blades. This measurement represents the body's frame rather than the fullness of the bust. Using both the high bust and full bust measurements allows designers to draft patterns that fit the shoulders and upper torso correctly while providing the right amount of shaping where it's needed. The result is a garment that feels more balanced, more comfortable, and far more flattering. The armhole depth, also known as the Scye depth, determines how comfortably a sleeve connects to the body. This measurement affects everything from freedom of movement to the overall appearance of a garment. To measure it directly, place a ruler or book flat under the arm while the person stands naturally. Measure vertically from the highest shoulder point down to the top edge of the ruler. The ruler represents the lowest comfortable point of the armhole. If the armhole is cut too high, the garment feels tight and restricts movement. If it's too low, the garment looks oversized and the sleeves hang awkwardly. A properly measured armhole creates a clean silhouette while allowing the wearer to move naturally throughout the day. The final upper body measurement is sleeve length, and it's more important than many people realize. Start at the shoulder point, where the shoulder seam naturally sits. Run the measuring tape over the outside of the arm, passing gently over a slightly bent elbow, and continue to the wrist bone. Bending the arm slightly during measurement allows extra length for natural movement. If the arm is measured completely straight, the finished sleeve can become too short every time the elbow bends. A properly measured sleeve hangs neatly when the arm is relaxed and still provides enough length for comfortable movement throughout the day. Congratulations! You've just learned the 7 essential upper body measurements that form the foundation of professional garment construction. From the neck to the sleeve length, each measurement plays a vital role in achieving garments that not only fit beautifully, but also feel comfortable to wear. Whether you're learning tailoring, sewing your own clothes, studying fashion design, or simply curious about how perfectly fitted garments are created, mastering these measurements is the first step towards professional results. In the next video, we'll continue with the lower body measurements, covering the waist, hips, rise, inseam, outseam, thigh, knee, calf, and more. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who loves sewing or fashion. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.